Unless you've been living under a rock for the last few years or totally unaware of the stock market, you've surely heard of Robinhood. This is the app that kicked off the commission-free trading revolution that led to almost all brokerage platforms ditching trading commissions altogether. However, there are some who doubt the longevity of this business model for Robinhood. They do make money from a few different sources, but the company itself is not profitable. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter to you as a Robinhood user whether or not the company is actually making money. It doesn't have any impact on you using the app to potentially make money yourself. So, let's dive into the numerous ways in which it is possible to make money using the Robinhood app. Free stocks. With Robinhood, you can get a free stock fractional share when you sign up for an account. Few other platforms give you free stocks for signing up, and with Robinhood, you could potentially gain a freebie including stocks from companies like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and even meme stocks like GameStop. Right now, Robinhood is giving out a free stock with a value of up to $200 for new app users. You just have to have a linked bank account to qualify, but be careful because you only have 60 days to select your free stock. Dividend income. When you buy a stock that pays dividends, you're entitled to a small percentage of the company's profits. As long as the company makes money, you get paid for holding their stock. When one of your stocks starts producing dividends, you can reinvest them to multiply your returns. Robinhood's service for reinvesting profits is called Dividend Reinvestment, or DRIP. The DRIP service has a unique dividend bot that analyzes your portfolio and uses machine learning to find opportunities for you to reinvest your dividends with stocks that might offer better returns. Asset appreciation. Robinhood allows you to start investing in companies with a bright future, whose stock prices are expected to rise. Retail investors or even company investors use this information to invest in these stocks before the price goes up, then sell them once the price is increased. A cornerstone philosophy that successful traders and investors generally use is to buy low and sell high. Asset appreciation is often a longer-term play rather than a fast track to quick cash. Keep in mind that assets in the stock market don't always increase in price, and you can lose money if the stock price drops. IPOs. An IPO, or initial public offering, is when a private company starts offering public shares. Since Robinhood offers access to some IPOs, you can start investing in newly available stocks, which can pay off big. You'll want to do your due diligence to research a newly public company before investing, though. When a company decides to go public for the first time, its stock price can skyrocket. You can make money on IPOs by investing in a startup business because of its potential to boost after going public. Time. The waiting game. Constantly looking at your crypto portfolio and graph of return on money invested in the stock market can be stressful. It can be easy to be disappointed by the market's volatility. However, you don't have to monitor your stocks 24/7 like many investors. While other investors are constantly changing financial products and investing in different things in the hopes of making money, you can rest easy knowing you have time on your side. Playing the waiting game will give your assets time to grow thanks to compound interest. Sure, Robinhood offers commission-free trading, but that doesn't mean you have to be the investor who is constantly buying and selling to make money. If you invest over a long time horizon and leave your money where it is, you will often outperform other investors and make more revenue. Robinhood pros and cons. Let's first look at the pros. No commission fees. Robinhood doesn't charge any trading fees, which means you don't have to pay them every time you place a trade. Easy-to-use interface. With a simple and intuitive interface, Robinhood makes it easy to manage your investment portfolio. Free stock. You don't have to pay anything to get a free stock with Robinhood. No account minimums or monthly maintenance fees. Robinhood does not require you to have a minimum amount in your account. Mobile app. Robinhood allows you to execute stock trades using your iPhone or Android phone. The app has no ads, requires no account minimums, and works in real time to let you make intelligent decisions for your investments at any time of day. Regulatory oversight. Regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Now let's look at the cons. Lack of advanced research tools. There are not as many educational or research resources available to investors without upgraded accounts. Limited investment options. No mutual funds, bonds, or other fixed income assets are available. You can only purchase individual stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto through the app. Retirement funds not available. Robinhood only offers a taxable brokerage account type. You can't open an IRA. Not truly fee-free. If you want to participate in margin trading or get access to better research, You will have to opt for an upgraded Robinhood Gold account, which has a monthly subscription fee. Focused on trading often. Robinhood is intended for short-term investors who want to make money on the stock market, so it encourages active trading to increase the number of customer orders. Robinhood is a fantastic trading platform that has gained a lot of traction in recent years. The platform is designed for short-term investors looking to profit from trading individual stocks and options or cryptocurrencies. Robinhood does not charge any fees, which is a great feature compared to regular brokerage companies. You can sign into the app and begin investing for free from your phone. Other platforms like Betterment, Acorns, or M1 Finance may be a better option if you're searching for automated investment or robo-advisor trading services. Robinhood has no commissions and lets you get started investing with just a few $100s. Plus, they'll give you a free stock just for signing up. Using Robinhood, you can put your money to work for you and start growing your investments.